One of Ford's ideas that seems pretty dumb to me is their plastic oil pan. And to go along with that is a plastic drain plug. Today we're going to switch out that drain plug for something that's more durable and also easier to drain. And what better day to do it than one of our coldest days of the season. First thing I'm going to do is start up the truck and let it run for about 5 or 10 minutes. To replace the plastic drain plug, I bought this little kit here. It is an aluminum plug and it has this barbed fitting on the end right here. There's a little rubber plug right there also. And it comes with this tube that fits over the barbed fitting. This red end unscrews itself, and then it has holes all the way around the ends here so that it's easier for you to drain out the oil. It also has an Allen key set screw so that this does not unscrew by itself going down the road. All right, we've been running about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see how messy we can get. I don't know why every time I do that, it wants to just splash up from something. I don't know what it keeps hitting, but yeah, I got messy again. Okay, so here's a comparison of the two plugs. This plug has been in there ever since I've owned the truck. Now, I've read things and seen comments where those are supposed to be changed every oil changed, but so far I've got the same one and the O-ring seems fine. And this new one is all aluminum and it has a double O-ring design. It's kind of an interesting design. Obviously it's a little longer, and so if it's seated in about the same position, looks like our threads up here about the same style and everything. So interested to see how this actually works, and hopefully it don't leak. This silver end right here is magnetic, I found out. See that? So I'm not exactly sure what that's all about, but anyways. Okay. It was a little bit hard to get it screwed in, but it kind of hurts with those little metal things on the side. And one other thing, I'm wondering how long this little rubber plug is going to last in there, because it doesn't seem to be very hard to get it out. So I guess we'll see. All right, now let's get the new oil in. Let's see if my impact rated grip can unscrew this. And just as a reminder, since my YouTube short that I did a while back got so much hate on it about two O-rings, this is the new filter package that comes with it, with the two big O-rings and the one small one. Okay, there we go. So the unfortunate thing about this video is I'll have to have a part 2, because obviously I'm not going to test out draining the plug with new oil. All right, let's get her started up and running some of that new oil through. So probably by about the time our baby's born in April, I'll be up to 3,000 to 5,000 miles in this thing and be able to try out the drain feature of this plug. So part 2 will be coming in a few months.